How to log out of OKX application on your smartphone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily sign out or log out of OKX application from your mobile device. First of all, open the OKX application on your device, and once you're inside the home page, go to the upper left corner and tap on the waffle menu. From the expanded menu that appears on your screen, click on your username at the top and you'll be taken to this profile section. Scroll all the way down from the profile section and you'll see a logout button. Tap on that. Confirm the logout action by tapping logout once again in the pop-up, but remember that whenever you need to log back into your account, you'll need to enter your correct credentials. Once you remember the credentials, you can easily sign back in whenever needed. After tapping the logout button, you'll be redirected to the main home page or the welcome screen. See, nothing complicated at all. You've just learned an essential skill for using OKX. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.